How to fix PKXD invite friend option not working or blank problem. Hey guys, in this video I will discuss how can you fix PKXD problem, invite friend button not working, showing blank or many other problem. So if you want to fix this issue, then watch this video till ending and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so some information or some tips I will provide you so you can try to fix it. First of all, you need to open your Play Store and you need to update this application of the PKXD Explore Universes. Sometime we are using old version and new version are up to date. There are some bugs in old version, so developer can upload new version. So we need just update our application of PKXD. And if you still facing problem, then it's a bug should be its bug already automatically fixed in some days. So wait, your problem will be automatically fixed in some upcoming days.